In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a meeting for later in Google Meet. If you want to set up a Google Meet link ahead of time and share it before the meeting actually starts, this is a quick and simple way to do it. Creating a meeting for later is useful when you want to send the link to co-workers, classmates, clients, or anyone else in advance, so everyone has access to the same meeting space when it's time to join. To get started, open Google Meet in your browser. Once you're on the Google Meet homepage, look for the button labeled New Meeting. This is the main option used to start or schedule a meeting, and it gives you a few different choices depending on what you want to do. Go ahead and click on New Meeting to open the menu. After that, you'll see an option that says Create a Meeting for Later. Click on that option. This tells Google Meet that you're not starting the call right now, but instead generating a reusable meeting link that you can save and share whenever you're ready. It's a convenient option because it lets you prepare everything in advance without needing to begin the meeting immediately. As soon as you select that option, Google Meet will generate a meeting link for you. This link is what people will use to join the meeting later. You should now see the invitation information on your screen, including the meeting URL. The next thing you need to do is copy the link. Click the copy option so the meeting URL is saved to your clipboard. Once the link is copied, you can paste it anywhere you need. For example, you can place it into an email, a calendar event, a team chat, or a shared document. That makes it easy to distribute the meeting details and keep everyone informed. If you're organizing a future meeting, adding the link to a calendar invite is especially helpful because participants can simply click it when the meeting time arrives. And that's it. You've successfully created a Google Meet meeting for later and copied the link so it's ready to share. This is one of the fastest ways to prepare a meeting in advance without launching it on the spot. If you're following along, just remember the flow. Open Google Meet, click New Meeting, choose Create a Meeting for Later, and copy the link. Once you've done that, your meeting is ready whenever you need it.